If you're looking for one of our glass towels that's a little bit better for scrubbing dirty windows and then getting a streak-free shine, I have the great towel for you. I'm gonna show you right now. All right, if you didn't guess what towel I'm talking about, it's the Amphibian Inside and Out, and it's named after the Amphibian drying towel. So if you're familiar with our Amphibian drying towel that's plush on one side and twisted pile on the other, you'll recognize the twisted pile from this. So the one thing I really like about this towel is that it's thicker. And so thicker means it absorbs more liquid, which means less liquid on the window, which leads to more streak-free, and we're always looking for more streak-free towels. The other thing I like is because it's thicker and I have big hands, I can manipulate this towel without it scrunching up. And I tend to scrunch towels up inadvertently, so the thick nature of it gives me a little bit sturdier towel, and so it doesn't bunch up. So I really like it for that. And what we use it for is we got the twisted pile side, which is used to kind of scrub a glass surface that needs a little bit more scrubbing than a traditional smooth only towel. And then we flip it over to the smooth side to get the streak-free finish. So like I said, we love this towel because it's super sturdy and absorbent, which makes cleaning windows streak-free a breeze.